Many tutors launch their business, develop their website, and invest months in marketing, yet they struggle to attract students. Their website is getting visitors, their social media are getting reach, but yet parents or students aren't making the final decisions. They are not booking calls or getting your courses. What seems to be the issue? When your core business foundation is missing, your purpose, your brand value, your unique selling proposition, everything becomes inconsistent. Parents and students have a hard time to understand and trust you. That's why you need to create a foundation document for your tutoring business. To help you build a strong foundation, I have created a complete guide covering the 6 steps that you need to complete your foundation document. The 6 steps are the understanding the golden circle for educators, and identifying your ideal student profile, researching your competitors, crafting a clear, unique selling propositions, creating your core brand messaging, and finally documenting your tutoring business strategy. To help you write this document, I have created a free checklist that contains 36 questions. By simply answering these 36 questions, you'll have a strong foundation document for your tutoring business. Let's explain each of these steps in more details. The first step is understanding the golden circle for educators. If you haven't watched Simon Sinek's famous TED Talk on the golden circle, I highly recommend you to watch it. I believe that every single educator and tutors have a why. It's your purpose. But the issue is, it's not just about knowing your purpose, it's about articulating your purpose across your website, social media, content, and your advertisements so that your potential students or parents understand your value, understand your purpose. They get to learn why you are teaching, why you are doing what you are doing. That's why you need to have your why present across your core brand messaging. The next step is to have a clear how, and it's simply how you're achieving your why. What's your methodology, what's your approach or philosophy, and how are you achieving that? Lastly, it's quite simple: what services you're providing to accommodate your how and why. Simply writing them down and having a clear structure helps your business to improve your brand messaging and improve your strategy, and it gives you a clear structure to move forward. The second step is to find your ideal student profile or ISP. This step involves simply understanding what the age or grade level of your potential students are, what do they live, what is their academic level, and you also can highlight the psychographics like why are they seeking tutoring, what's their biggest struggle or obstacles, what matters the most to them. By simply creating a ISP, it becomes much easier for you to market your services. The third step is to research your competitors. It's not actually about competing, but it's about understanding what the market wants and how others are improving their services, and then take in the data to improve your services, to improve your business. This step simply involves in a 4-step process. The first one is to identify 5 to 10 direct competitors, then analyze their positioning, what they're providing, how much they're charging, what kind of tutoring services they're providing. Is it one-to-one or group sessions? And then you have to this is the third step, to study their service and pricings. And then the fourth step is to evaluate the marketing presence. Where are they visible? Do they have a good website? Do they have a SEO strategy? Are they creating content across their social media channels? How are they attracting students? By simply documenting this process, you're going to be able to learn how you can tap into the market and improve your offers. The fourth step is to craft a clear, unique selling proposition or USP. Your USP is a statement. It should tell your audience what makes you different from hundreds of other tutors or tutoring businesses, because when you don't have a clear USP, your audience is going to struggle to make the final decision why they should go with you, right? So this process is quite simple. If you have followed the previous three steps, it would become much easier for you to write down your USP. The fifth step is to create a core brand messaging. It's all about creating a guide that will have your mission and value statements, that will have your key differentiators and brand voice and tone. Simply like, how do you communicate? How do you encourage your tutors or parents? What are the technicalities? How do you handle conversations with parents? Simply having this guideline will help you and your team and your business to grow and scale in the future. The last step is to document your tutoring business strategy. As we have gone through the previous 5 steps, it's going to become so much clearer for you to create a business strategy. We have simply 5 steps in this process. The first one is to document your foundation, which you already have done in the previous steps. The second one is to audit your current position against your foundation. You have to look into your website and social media to understand whether it's aligning with your current foundation that you have built. The third step is to update your assets. You have to go into your website homepage, about us pages, service pages. You have to update your social media banners and bios so that it matches with your new foundation document. Then the fourth step is to create content that is aligned with your foundation from now on. So every single pieces of content that you're going to publish, it has to match your core foundation. This way your potential students or parents will understand your value, understand what makes you unique, and they're going to trust your business. And the fifth step is to, of course, have your foundation present across your pitches or consultation calls. At the end of the guide, you'll find a tutoring business foundation checklist. You can simply download the checklist using this form. Once you have the checklist, it contains 36 questions. By simply writing down these questions, you'll have a clear structure and document for your foundation. And that covers how you can build a foundation for your tutoring business. Building a strong foundation isn't optional. If you want to grow your tutoring business and reach the right students, building this document is one of the most critical aspects for your tutoring business. I hope that this guide was able to help you create this document. The link for the guide and checklist will be in the video descriptions. If you have liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We are pretty new and we are going to launch more videos like this pretty soon. So if you want to grow your tutoring business, be sure to subscribe to our channel.